Hi guys! Today in Parents Journey, we are sharing tips and tricks for better breastfeeding. If you're a new mom, you know that breastfeeding comes with its own set of surprises. It's natural, but that doesn't mean it's always easy. Today, we are sharing our go-to hacks for smooth, stress-free breastfeeding so you can focus more on bonding and less on worrying. Let's dive in. First, let's talk comfort. Before each feed, make sure you're in a cozy spot. Grab a pillow or two to support your arms and your baby. I love using a nursing pillow for extra support, but a regular pillow works just fine. Sit up straight, keep your feet flat, and bring your baby to your breast, not the other way around. Trust me, your back will thank you. Next up, latch. A good latch is everything. Make sure your baby's mouth is wide open, like a big yawn. And aim your nipple toward the roof of their mouth. Their lips should be flanged outward, not tucked in. If you feel any pinching or pain, gently break the latch with your finger and try again. It might take a few tries and that's totally normal. Don't stress. Now let's talk about milk flow. If your breasts feel super full, try massaging or hand expressing a little milk before latching your baby on. This can soften your breast and make it easier for your baby to latch deeply. And if you're dealing with a fast letdown, try feeding while leaning back slightly. Gravity can help slow the flow and keep your baby from coughing or sputtering. Keeping hydrated is key. Always have a water bottle nearby. Breastfeeding can make you thirsty. And don't forget snacks. Nuts, fruit or granola bars are lifesavers when you're feeding around the clock. Cracked or sore nipples? Express a little breast milk and let it dry on your skin. It's a natural healer. Nipple creams help too, but air drying after each feed can make a big difference. And for those night feeds, prepping a little nursing station by your bed with water, snacks and burp cloths can make life so much easier. Keep the lights dim and use a nightlight. It helps your baby and you slip back to sleep faster. Remember, breastfeeding isn't always perfect. Every mom and baby learns together. Celebrate the small wins, ask for help when you need it, and trust your instincts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Parents Journey for more content. If you have any questions or want to share your own hacks, drop them in the comments below. Happy feeding, Mama!